We're back with another trading session. We are doing 5-second $200 trades, and we're testing out a couple different things with the CCI and the Williams. Normally it's 15 and 14, but today we're testing 10 and 10 because 5 is just too fast. So let's see what we can do, and you can find all the settings inside of Telegram as well as the free courses linked in the description, and it's also at the top of the screen. We're starting with 2372, so we have our first win, and that is because of this level came through it, and so our support became our resistance, and now we're back above it, and it's probably going to go up for a little while, so we do not want that. Now we're going to go look for our next one, and we are looking for when the CCI and the Williams are down below the danger zone. I would have to say that this is actually the easiest method that you could possibly use, and I've been trading for a couple of years and I know what to look for. I build my own strategies. I don't use anyone else's strategies. You definitely want to be below the 55, so that is a no-go on that. Alright, so what do we have here? We are down in the danger zone, but the CCI is up, Williams is coming up. That is a no-go. Plus, it's not touching the moving average, so that's a no. And I did have to hedge because I entered in the wrong direction, but that is okay. We broke this trend line. I don't think it's going to stay broken, I don't know. Let's bring this down here. I think when it comes here, it's going to reject, just as I said. The reason that I did that is because of the two-touch. We had this trend line right here. We broke the trend line, but we had a level right here that was drawn because of this one green candle at the top of the wick. I drew the horizontal line, and when it came up and touched it, it actually rejected, and it was a very temporary rejection, but I knew it was going to happen. Let's draw this two-touch and see where this goes. Initially it came here, just as I thought that it was going to be. That is actually a perfect two-touch. But this is going to continue to go up, and we know that because of drawing our lines. If we go across this way, let's do this. Let me see, sideways. I think we're gonna have, yep, I knew that we were gonna have a potential sell there real quick, and that's because of these green ones over here on the left. Supply and demand, baby, supply and demand. That's not part of the two-touch, but sometimes when you see it, you gotta take it. Alright, so this is looking really good. We have the moving average inside of the candle. Let me check the CCI and the Williams. They're both below. Oh, I think I entered that late. Yes, I entered it late, but we got it. Alright, so CCI was slightly up, Williams was down, but it wasn't to the point where I was scared to take it because of this moving average being inside the candle, and because of how strong these candles are. If we draw this down, you can see that it's pretty deep, but this would be a two-touch right here where it rejects. We couldn't really find anything that jumped up off the page, so I'm ending it here. I don't really like the way that the market is right now, but you did see some of the things that I look for when I am in a session. If you want to learn the most profitable strategy currently available, because I created it myself and it's super simple, anybody can learn it. You can learn it for free right inside my Telegram channel and get access to all the courses. Why wouldn't you? It's free. Smash that like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you in the next video. And I want you to drop me a comment and let me know how many trades do you think it's going to take you to make in a day to leave your current 9-to-5, because you're actually going to make significantly more trading than you will at your job. And I have a tool inside Telegram that's going to help you to figure it out, and I'll see you in the next live trading, recorded trading, breakdown, or other video.